Hi, I'm Patti Brady, and today we're going to explore techniques using the two new A to Z kits. This project that we're going to work on is called Water Media with Glass Bead Gel. The products we're going to use are matte medium, high flow iridescent silver, glass bead gel, high flow fluorescent pink, and indigo and fluid handsy yellow light. The tools you're going to need are a soft round brush and a palette knife. The first step in our project is using the matte medium to seal this matte board. We're just using an inexpensive board. It has a lot of absorbency, and we just want to make sure that we're going to cut the absorbency. Matte medium is also really great for using like a clear gesso. It'll have a nice little tooth to it when it's dry. I really only need a very thin coat. I'm going to put this to the side and let it dry, and then put our next layer on it. Now that the matte medium's dry, we have a nice tooth, and we're going to just add this beautiful iridescent high flow silver. Spread it out, just do a nice complete surface edge to edge. Now that I've finished spreading out the iridescent silver high flow, I'm going to put it to the side and let it completely dry. Now that the iridescent silver high flow color is dry, we're going to apply the glass bead. And it's really, it's very white right now, but it's going to dry clear, and you'll be able to see the little real glass beads that are actually in this gel. For this application, we really want to get the glass bead gel as thin as we can. We're going to try for the thickness of one bead. Okay, so we're going to let this dry, and we're going to come back and do some water media effects on it. Now that that glass bead is dry, you can see the luminosity, you can see all that sheen. It's really quite beautiful. The iridescent color is reflecting back through those glass beads. And this is going to be really fun to do some water media effects on. So now we're going to go into using two of the high flow colors and one of the fluids and a water media application on top of the dry glass bead gel. We've got a really beautiful pebbly surface here. We're going to start out wet into wet, and this is going to be very loose. So be very playful with the surface and with the color. You can already see how that glass bead gel creates this really kind of grainy look to the paint, and that's the high flow. And you can see how the colors start to just mix by themselves as they're moving. And look at it, just watch it move. It's so beautiful, very playful, very loose. And the reason we create these textures is for exactly these sorts of effects. Hope you enjoyed that project, and thanks for watching.